Parrot Disco. Fixed wing, full HD, 3-axis video stabilization, speed 50 miles per hour, that's about 80 kilometer. Autopilot, yeah. So this is Parrot, and this is my first drone from that company, or drone and drone. I don't know if you can call this a drone, but yeah, it's something like that, between drone and plane. Parrot Disco, and I want this since it come out, but it had a heavy price. It was expensive like hell, cost much money, and yeah, I buy other drones before I buy this for much of the same money, and yeah, but now I have bought it. I wait for it a long time. Spread your wings. Parrot Disco and more. I see movie about it and more I want it. Cutting edge design, aerodynamic design, lightweight and robust structure. Yeah. Safe and easy piloting, blah 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 blah. Okay. So much. Mark. There. One more here. This. Yes, here it is. This big on the top. Here we have this machine. Look here. Oh my god. Oh, this is so extremely different than I used to from before. Sky controller. Okay. It's a little bit like a joystick. It's a little bit like what you're used to from Xbox or something. Okay, so here it is. You can have up to 2 kilometers here on this. Here is this glasses, but it's not time for glasses. Here is battery. The drone is here. So light, my god. And the wing is in the bottom. Extra propel. Here is a big map. I want to see a little bit about that. Yeah. So this is complete what it's inside the box. The drone is there, or the plane, or what you want. Here is glasses, so you can put your mobile phone in here and put it on your head, so you can drive like a maniac. But you feel you fly, I think. And here it's a thick book, so I want to see a little bit in this. Here's the controller with range up to 2 kilometers. It looks like a Xbox. Here it's part of the wing. It's like, and here is this you can use for your mobile phone or tab. This part there. Another part of this wing. It should be for loader. Yeah, it's for battery. Yeah, here it's different things. Oh, here it's battery. First time I charge it. Parrot, like there, and we follow it to this. And here it is, Parrot. So it should be up to 45 minutes flight time, so it's a long flight time on this battery. So we should find languages. So here it is. My camera is working.